This is our Vertex VT4826 Plus series controller. As you see it in the picture, the set point is set at 500 degrees C and the PV display is flashing open. That's nothing to be concerned about. For demonstration purposes, this controller has no thermocouple or PT100 connected to the input, and so it is correctly saying there's a fault, it's open. This short video is intended to show you how to change the controller's input. This controller has been set to accept a thermocouple input, and we want to change it to take a PT100 input. This change is done by accessing the menu and simply selecting PT100 instead of thermocouple. So, to access the menu, you press the set and the sideways shift button together for a few seconds until the display changes and reads level in the top display and soft in the bottom. We are not going to use the soft level, so we'll use the up button and we will change to the next level, which is the PID level, and in fact we'll go one more level up to the option level. In the option level, we press the set button once to access the input type parameter. This parameter, as we said, is set for thermocouple, and this one is set for type K thermocouple. What we will do now is use the up and down button to change it from type K to read PT100. That is what PT100 input looks like. It says DIN standard PT. So now, having done that, it is set for PT100. You now push the set button once. The next parameter is unit, which is degree C. We leave that as it is. The next parameter is the decimal point parameter. Normally, when using a PT100, the measuring range is typically 0 to 400 degrees C. So you can have a more accurate reading. If you require a decimal point, use the up button and press the up button once and you will see the decimal point is introduced. So now it will be, for example, 100.0 instead of just 100. Now I press the set button. Action is to be left as it is. Low point of the measuring range is 0, and you leave that as it is. And at the moment, the high limit of the measuring range is set at 100. If you are going to be using temperatures above 100, even with the PT100 input, then use the sideways shift button and go to the hundreds digit, and then use the up button 2 or 3 times, and for example, set that to be 400. Now push the set button and you have completed the change. Now press the 2 outside buttons together to get back to the normal position. You have now changed the input on this controller from type K thermocouple input to be PT100 input with a range of 0 to 400 degrees C using 1 decimal point. Thank you.